Hello. In this video, I will be discussing the Riba Code of Practice 2021, which outlines the professional and ethical standards expected from architects and chartered practices. The Riba Code of Practice works alongside the Riba Code of Professional Conduct and applies to all Riba members and chartered practices. Its main purpose is to protect the public interest, safeguard clients, and maintain the integrity and reputation of the architectural profession. By aligning professional behavior with legal obligations and ARB standards, the code provides architects with a clear ethical framework for decision-making and professional responsibility. RIBA stands for the Royal Institute of British Architects, which is one of the most influential professional bodies in architecture. The Riba Code of Practice 2021 establishes mandatory standards related to professional conduct, competence, relationships, and accountability. It ensures that architects act honestly, competently, and responsibly, while also providing formal procedures for complaints, investigations, and sanctions if standards are breached. Sanctions can range from private cautions to suspension or expulsion, depending on the severity of the violation. The code example provision in the Riba Code of Practice 2021 illustrates how the code is structured and applied in practice through a clear hierarchy of principles, headings, and detailed requirements. At the highest level, the code is organized around the three core principles: integrity, competence, and relationships, which define the fundamental ethical obligations of architects. Each principle is then expanded into specific headings that address key areas of professional conduct, such as conflicts of interest, confidentiality, competence, equality and diversity, and complaints handling. Under these headings, the code provides clear provisions and expectations that explain how architects should behave in real professional situations. This layered structure ensures that the code is both conceptually strong and practically usable, allowing members to understand not only what ethical standards are required, but also how to implement them consistently in everyday architectural practice. The Riba Code of Practice 2021 outlines architects' ethical duties across four core values: public interest and integrity, emphasizing honesty, transparency, and prioritizing public welfare; equality and diversity, promoting inclusive, discrimination-free workplaces and inclusive design; accountability, requiring clear agreements, accurate records, and effective complaints processes; and sustainability, committing architects to minimizing environmental, social, and economic impacts through life cycle and climate-responsible design. The first principle, integrity, requires members to act with honesty and transparency at all times. Architects must declare and manage conflicts of interest, reject bribery and corruption, safeguard confidential information, ensure that advertising and promotion of services is truthful and accurate. Integrity also includes proper handling of client money, respecting privacy, and maintaining impartiality in professional judgments. This principle forms the ethical foundation of the profession and protects public trust in architects and architectural practices. The second principle is competence. Architects are required to only undertake work they are qualified and resourced to perform, maintain their skills through continuous professional development, or CPD, appoint specialists when necessary, comply with all relevant laws, regulations, and health and safety requirements. Competence also includes keeping clients informed, maintaining accurate records, ensuring quality management, considering environmental, heritage, and community impacts. This principle ensures that architectural services are delivered with professional skill, care, and responsibility throughout a project's life cycle. The third principle focuses on relationships. Architects must respect the rights, beliefs, and interests of others and act in a way that promotes fairness, inclusion, and collaboration. Key requirements include clear written terms of appointment, transparent communication, respect for copyright and previous appointments, ethical treatment of employees and colleagues. The code also emphasizes equality, diversity, and inclusion, with zero tolerance for harassment, discrimination, or victimization. Additionally, practices must have a clear complaints and dispute resolution procedure, ensuring issues are handled fairly and professionally. Adhering to the Riba Code of Practice offers benefits that go far beyond simply meeting regulations. Clear professional standards help reduce risk and prevent disputes, while strong ethical behavior builds client trust and enhances the reputation of chartered practices. A commitment to integrity and competence also creates a positive working environment, supporting teamwork and staff retention. In addition, the Riba Professional Standards team provides ongoing guidance to help members deal with professional challenges effectively.